remember the days of a youth, you know. Remember when I used to go to the parties and used to dance to the girls and like a nobody business. What you? A 2 penny for the that. Come here, man.
Oh boy, check it. Wow, go on, come in that place, you know.
Yeah, man, take a seat, right? So take a seat.
Well, go on.
Everything good, man, everything.
Yes, boy. Check it. Remember the party. Junkie
Yeah, man.
Fridays.
You remember they
1985.
No,
This
man.
head boy.
Yeah, man,
The
yeah, man.
mother fat brown in there.
I see him, somebody lose my heart when me there try dance with her.
Jesus Christ,
Ah,
man. You
God.
gotta push out, man. But
You know, remember the dance when it just
man.
come out?
Yes, man, but
Yeah,
remember
they
nowadays.
dance, they nice, they
Fat
dance,
girl
they
never
nice.
used to get no love in her. All of a sudden, that man name is Twilix. It's Twilix. Me love my fatty. Like him
Yes,
grab him girl, so
yes,
I tell me, love, my.
You know,
Ooh,
see, I yesterday me there listen to his song. My grandson make me listen to his song and me there wonder what am I talk about?
I eat me as a two,
But just now me I remember about the little fatty when they do me.
But boy, I remember Shikwisha.
Lord God, who can forget her? Who can forget that girl?
Yeah, who can?
No, wait. No, you shit at all. Wait. No. No, your wife that. Where I go? Come here. Hey, wife, you know. Hey, wife, your name, so. Oh, God.